so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe and join my corner of the internet because I'd love to have you. In today's video, I'm going to be going through my current Lush favourites, so things that I'm literally using in the shower every day as of right now, my hair care products, some face products, body care and that kind of thing. Every single thing I'm showing you right now is a little bit wet from the shower, so I do apologise, but it's just the things that I'm using at the moment that I'm absolutely in love with, that I think you guys should try. And I think there is one or two products in this kind of collection that you can't buy anymore, so I do apologise, but I still wanted to share it with you anyway because there might be alternatives to there might be something similar you can buy on the website. Do you know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is a hair care product, and that is Curly Whirly shampoo. Now I'm not going to lie, I don't think you can buy this anymore. I do believe they have a solid version called Trichomania, which is a coconut shampoo bar. Works very similar. I actually have both. I did have a chunk in my shower, but I think it fell down the drain, which is really sad. So yeah. This is really good though. It's a coconut shampoo essentially, so it's really thick, really rich, so super moisturising, and it just smells like holidays. It smells absolutely amazing, hence the name. It's made for curly hair types. I mean, to be honest, if you have straight hair and your hair was really, really dry, I don't see why you couldn't use something like this, but it works really, really well for curly hair. So when I know that I'm going to have my hair in its natural form, I suppose, I tend to use this more so than another shampoo, just because it does help with having it curly, making it soft and that kind of thing. But I absolutely love this. I'm really enjoying it. Obviously, I think it is discontinued now, so I'm kind of scared to continue using it. As you can see, I have got a good amount left, but that will definitely be gone by the end of next month. So yeah, absolutely love it, but you can't buy it anymore, so I'm really sorry. And the second hair care product that I'm using at the moment is this. This, I believe, is called the Angel Hair Shampoo Bar, and it's essentially supposed to be like, I don't really know how to describe it. Great for any hair type, really moisturising, really softening, really like strengthening. But I don't like the smell. I don't know what it is, and I can't even describe the smell to you. I also don't really like the fact they put a rosebud in it, because now I have like a rose stem like stuck in my shampoo bar, which is really annoying. But I absolutely love the way this is making my hair feel. It's making it shiny, it's making it soft. I have no complaints about this. I don't think I prefer it to my new shampoo bar because that does encourage my hair to grow. But if you want kind of a regular shampoo that's going to kind of do everything, this is really, really good. I do believe these are £8 though, which is quite expensive, but I love them. So definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Really, really enjoying using that. So now moving on to skincare, the first thing that I've been using is the Ultra Bland Facial Cleanser. This has been a Lush staple for so long. It was there when I started working there. It's still there now. It's been there for absolutely ages, and essentially it's an oil-based makeup remover slash cleanser. So it's very similar to the, is it Emma Hardy? What's it called? The cleansing balm thing, you know, that really famous one in the pot. This is essentially the same thing. So what you do is take a tiny amount in your hand, melt it on your face, get a flannel or like a cotton pad or something and wipe it all off, and you're good to go. And it's super easy to use, and I prefer to use it in the shower. I find it easier to manage in the shower. I don't know, I hate washing my face in the sink. I find it really just like annoying. Like, I tend to get water everywhere, so I always wash my face in the shower, and this is what I use. Absolutely obsessed. In terms of ingredients, it's got really beautiful ingredients such as almond oil, rose water, beeswax, honey, Irish extract and rose absolute. So it's really, really fresh, really lovely. And obviously if you're vegan and you don't tend to use things like honey and beeswax, obviously you can't use it, but they do have an ultra plant version which is essentially the same but vegan, which is great. So yeah, you have the option to go for either, but it's so good, definitely recommend. Face mask wise, one that I'm using at the moment is the Birth of Venus. Now this is a jelly mask. Please excuse the top of mine because I actually use it to hold my shampoo bar when I'm out of the shower. So it looks really, really gross, but this is one of the old jelly masks. They have actually discontinued these, which I'm really upset about because over time I actually really started to love these. At first I was really unsure because of the texture and the method of putting it on, and it just wasn't for me, but now I'm obsessed, and now they don't do them anymore, which is always so annoying. But this is the Birth of Venus. It looks like this. I have basically used half of it already. It smells so good. I can't even describe the scent to you, but in terms of ingredients, this one has fresh seawater, carrageenan extract, lavender absolute, chamomile blue oil and olibanum oil. So it is really calming and relaxing. Essentially it just smells like chamomile and lavender. It's so good, and it is a jelly texture, so as you can see it is completely solid. Like, it's not, I just nearly dropped that, that would have been awful. Due to it being a jelly texture, all you have to do is take a pea-sized amount, and I just mush it in the palm of my hand with a tiny bit of water, and it kind of makes a paste texture. Once it's a paste texture, I put it on my face, leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off, and it's so nice. I absolutely love them, and I am so sad they got rid of these. So yeah, I mean, they're not as good as my ultimate faves like Mask of Mag, Cup of Coffee and Beauty Sleep, but they are a really great fun alternative, and I'm just sad they didn't do them anymore. So that is what I'm using. I do really love it, but obviously you can't buy them anymore, which is really upsetting. And lastly for skincare has been the Collis facial soap. Now I absolutely love this product so much. I've used it for such a long time, and I just tend to use it as a general face wash when I'm in the shower. So once I've removed all my makeup, if I've done a face mask or anything like that, I'll do that beforehand, but obviously if I'm not doing a mask, I'll do it after my makeup's off. Does that make sense? I just use it to wash my face. I absolutely love it. I use it with an exfoliating like electric brush, and I just really like it. It makes my skin clean, soft, spot free, oil free. I have no complaints with it. I just love it so much, and I just use it all the time when I'm in the shower. I feel like I haven't really spoken about that product in a really long time, and I just completely forgot that I was just obsessed with it because it's been a staple in my routine. Does that make sense? But yeah, absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. And lastly, moving on to things that I use to like wash myself with, the first one has been the Refresher shower jelly. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a shower jelly kind of gal. I don't really like the shower jellies very much, so I am trying to use up my shower jellies. I did cut this one into chunks, and as you can see it is cut into chunks. However, because I don't know, it got wet and it's kind of reformed itself. It's a bit strange, but I absolutely love the Refresher shower jelly. It smells like lemon, just like lemon sweets. It's so fresh, so citrusy, and it just makes me feel really clean. So to use this, all I do is I kind of take it out of the pot, rub it onto a sponge and pop it back in, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's like reformulated itself and stayed in the same shape. It's really strange. Oh, did I just break it? I might have just broken it, but you know what I mean. Essentially I just rub it on a sponge, wash myself with it and pop it back in the pot. I really like it, and this one has fresh organic lemon infusion. It also has carrageenan extract, lemon oil, rosewood oil, lemon myrtle oil, so a lot of lemon. It's so fresh, so zingy, so clean. I don't know if you can buy this anymore. Let me know down below if you know whether it's still on the website or not, but yeah. Love it, 10 out of 10, and I have been using it for a while, as you can see. And the last current favourite that I'm going to be sharing with you today has been the Christingle body conditioner. Now, I know what you're thinking. This has been like a really old product. I don't think it was even released last year. I have had this for absolutely freaking ages, and I just didn't want to use it because I love it so much that I knew that when I finished it I'd be really upset. But I've had a kind of like mindset recently that if I don't use it, it's just going to go mouldy, it's going to go out of date, and I'll have to throw it away. So I am starting to use all my Lush products, and I'm just making my way through them all. So I am using this at the moment, but this is a body conditioner. So you use it in the shower and you rinse it off, and it's like a moisturizer, and it looks like toothpaste. I absolutely love this. I have always said that I use Christingle in the summer because it's so cooling on the skin. It just makes my skin feel absolutely amazing, and especially after you've shaved, you feel like something smooth. What's smooth? I don't know. Silk? It's just so good, and I love the smell. It smells like spearmint, peppermint. I think it has, does it have both? Let me check. It's got peppermint oil, spearmint oil, grapefruit oil, and shea butter, jojoba oil, and muru butter. So yeah, lots of butters, lots of mints, and it's very good. So those are all of my current Lush favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment down below what your favourites are. I would love to know, and I believe I am going to be going shopping soon, so let me know down below anything I need to buy, because I will probably go into Lush and buy something, so it's inevitable, it's going to happen. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!